introduce you to the Zen Chef Double XL Pro Air Fryer. This is a 5.8 quart air fryer that cooks enough food for up to 7 people. The Zen Chef Double XL is extremely quiet. Both the fan that runs while it's cooking and the beeping that happens before and after are extremely quiet. It's also very easy to clean. Let me introduce you to the basket. You use this flip up here to get to the basket release button. Just make sure that you don't accidentally release the basket when you don't mean to, which can be very messy. To release the basket, you just press down on this button here, and the inner basket comes right out. It's got these rubber stoppers on the bottom that help prevent it from scratching the outer basket, which is great. It's also got holes on the bottom rather than a mesh, which makes it a lot easier to clean. Since the Zen Chef Double XL Pro lets you cook with little to no oil, this kind of a basket design is ideal because usually when you're cooking, oil is what you use to help prevent sticking, and this design helps prevent sticking so you can use less oil. So let's slide this basket in and get familiar with the controls. To turn on your air fryer, you just press the power button. And then you have two options. There are automatic modes that I'm going to show you, and then you can also cook using manual if you want to do custom times. So these are the automatic modes that are available. You cycle through them with the mode button. You've got French fries, ribs, shrimp, cake, chicken leg, potato chips, fish, and a thaw function. And then you can use your manual functions if you want to do a custom time and temperature. You can adjust your time down or up. You can go all the way up to 60 minutes on this air fryer. And then your temperature, you can go all the way down to 160, or you can adjust it up all the way to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To make some frozen French fries, we're actually going to use manual mode. I'm going to pour my fries in the basket. And the basket goes back in. What's cool about this air fryer is that not only do you have all these functions and temperature options, but you can use this S button here. It stands for start, but it also, this S stands for stop. So if your food's done early, you can turn the air fryer off. So let's turn it back on. The Zen Chef Double XL also comes with a recipe book that has tons of recipes to get you started. My family loves this air fryer, and I think yours will too.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.